Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. In this video, we'll be seeing that Kotak Securities has given some earnings estimate for the companies which will be giving out their first results. So here are some of the analyst estimates in this video. Before we go into the topic, I'd like to remind you about the stock market awareness program which we are conducting on 20th July simultaneously in Patna and Delhi. So you can attend this event and get a lot of information from market experts. This is good for market beginners, stock traders and experienced traders. And in order to register for this free training session, you just have to fill in the Google form, and the link for it is given in the description below. Now let's go into the analyst estimates. First is TCS, and according to Kotak Securities, they expect TCS to report a net profit at 7,818 crore rupees, down by 3.8% quarter on quarter. The net sales are expected to increase by 1.4% quarter on quarter, and the EBITDA are likely to fall by 1.4% quarter on quarter. Next is Wipro, and the brokerage house expects Wipro to report a net profit at 2,298 crore rupees, down by 7.4% quarter on quarter and up by 8.4% year on year. The net sales are expected to decrease by 2.1% quarter on quarter to 14,877 crore rupees. The EBITDA are likely to fall by 8.6%. And next we have Infosys. Kotak Securities expects Infosys to report a net profit at 3,630 crore rupees, down by 11% quarter on quarter. The net sales are expected to increase by 2.8% quarter on quarter to 22,138 crore rupees. The EBITDA are likely to fall by 2.8% quarterly. Next, let's look at HCL Technologies. And brokerage firm expects HCL Technologies to report a net profit at 2,325 crore rupees, down by 9.1%. The net sales are expected to increase by 0.2% quarterly, and the EBITDA are likely to fall by 6.5% quarter on quarter. Then there's Tech Mahindra. So Kotak Securities expects Tech Mahindra to report a net profit at 936 crore rupees, down by 17.3%, and the net sales are expected to decrease by 2.3% quarterly, and the EBITDA are likely to fall by 18.5% quarter on quarter. Next, we have L&T Infotech. Kotak Securities expects L&T Infotech to report a net profit at 368 crore rupees, down by 2.8% quarter on quarter. The net sales are expected to decrease by 0.1% quarterly, and the EBITDA are likely to fall by 11% quarter on quarter, up by 2.6% year on year. Then there's Mindtree, which is expected to report a net profit at 162 crore rupees, down by 18.2% quarter on quarter. The net sales are expected to increase by 1% quarterly. EBITDA are likely to fall by 14.5% quarterly. Then we have Hexaware Technologies. Kotak Securities expects Hexaware Technology to report a net profit at 148.5 crore rupees, up by 7.2%, and the net sales are expected to increase by 3.7%, while the EBITDA are likely to rise by 1%. Then lastly, we have Mphasis. And the brokerage firm Kotak Securities expects Mphasis to report a net profit at 263.1 crore rupees, down by 1.1% quarter on quarter. The net sales are expected to increase by 3.2% quarterly, while the EBITDA are likely to rise by 1.5% quarter on quarter. So these are the analyst estimates for these few companies whose first quarter results will be announced soon. And these analyst estimates will be used to measure the actual company's performance. If the company's performance is lesser, is falls short of the estimates, then the stock is likely to fall, and if it exceeds the analyst estimates, the stocks are likely to rise and have a bullish run at least for a small period of time. Hence, these analyst estimates are useful for stock market. So here are the source material for this specific news item. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to attend a training session, a free training session with market experts explaining and giving you, providing you with tools and strategies which you can apply to your trading, you can attend these two training sessions which we are conducting in Patna and Delhi simultaneously on 20th July 2019. So in order to register for this free training session, just fill up the Google form and the link for it is in the description below.